Good morning everyone. I am Jasmine Kaur and today I'll be presenting my presentation on future technology trends in enterprise architecture, an area that is rapidly evolving in response to digital transformation and the demands of industry. Enterprise architecture is no longer just about aligning IT with business goals. It has become a critical commercial strategy according to Cohansel to 2024. EA act as a roadmap to structure processes, information systems and technologies in a way that supports agile operations and informed decision making. With globalization, advanced analytics and the push for automation, the architecture of tomorrow must be more flexible, scalable, and intelligent than ever before. In this presentation, we'll explore how AI, cloud, and hybrid architectures and blockchain are emerging as key enablers of modern EA. We'll also look at real world application from companies like Amazon, IBM, and Walmart. Next, emerging trends in enterprise architecture. AI is coming into the scene and disrupting EA as it is and smart enough to be married to forecasting analytics, smart automation, and improved decision support. Among them, one should mention the application of artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and hybrid infrastructure and blockchain technology that may be listed among to the influential agents to change in the framework to the supply chain. Cloud-based architecture and hybrid architecture are the two architectures types that cannot be equated with other architectures in terms of their scalability and flexibility, and therefore provide organization with an unmatched advantage. They assist in real-time planning of various stakeholders. Transfer of information and good is continuous and the global supply chain networks are well controlled. In particular, the hybrid architectures create the optimal balance between the benefit of cloud elasticity and on-premises premise security of the infrastructure, which help business to comply with some of the most stringent regulatory requirements. The next point is about trend analysis. First, artificial intelligence integration in enterprise architecture. The implementation of AI in EA is a huge step to the smart enterprise system that learn, adapt, and optimize the supply chain's operation on their own. Machine learning algorithms allowed AI analysis to uncover and structure both structured and unstructured data like consumer behavior, inventory, transport route, and external market indicators. Sensors and RFID tags connected to LOD help to gather real-time inventory and transportation data. This data optimizes delivery routes and dynamic inventory replenishment in AI enabled EA platforms, decreasing delays and stockouts. In low level activities like warehouse automation and transport scheduling, AI aids autonomous decision making, reducing manual intervention costs like response times. Next, cloud-based and hybrid architectures. Cloud computing has rapidly changed the paradigm of enterprise architecture and make it lean towards flexible, scalable, and collaborative architectural model that can serve global supply chain activities. Cloud-based EA systems combine heterogeneous data flows throughout pre-procurement. Example of cloud platforms that support real-time collaborative decision-making between suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, and retailers include SAP, Integrated Business Planning, and Oracle Cloud SEM. The elasticity of cloud infrastructure allows organization to act promptly to demand volatility, reduce the IT maintenance expense of outdated systems, and quicken the innovation process by developing analytics and AI service rapidly. Next, blockchain for supply chain transparency. Blockchain technology introduced a revolutionary approach to data integrity, security, and transparency within enterprise architectures, particularly in supply chains characterized by multiple independent stakeholders. Blockchain provide a single source of truth for supply chain partners by providing a decentralized tamper-proof ledger. Blockchain logs every transaction, shipping, and product movement in AI, improving traceability in food safety and provenance and authenticity are crucial. Smart contracts automatically enforce the compliance and payment terms when conditions are met, reducing administrative expense and errors. Blockchain solves conventional trust difficulties and eliminates information asymmetry in some supply chains, improving collaboration, fraud reduction, and regulatory compliance. Next, case studies and real world examples. So, in this, IBM and Max Theriland's blockchain platform exemplifies how decentralized ledger technology can transform global shipping logistics. By connecting carriers, ports, customer officials, and logistics provides on a shared blockchain platform, trade lanes improve shipment visibility, reduce paperwork, and expedites custom procedure by up to 40%. This operational efficiency translates into significant cost savings and enhanced security for international trades. Next, Amazon showcased the integration of AI and cloud computing within its supply chain architecture, leveraging Amazon Web Services. The company employs cloud-based predictives, analytics, and AI algorithm to streamline demand forecasting, inventory control, and logistic optimization globally. Amazon's robotic fulfillment centers optimize AI-driven automation, minimizing human error, lowering operation costs, and accelerating order fulfillment. Walmart Walmart's collaboration with IBM to deploy blockchain in its food supply chain illustrates the dual benefits of enhanced food safety and supply chain efficiency. Walmart cuts recall periods from days to seconds by requiring suppliers to record product detailed on a blockchain ledger. This approach can consumer trust, regulatory compliance, and product deterioration reduction. The next point is about challenges and risks. The high technologies are not very cost effective to the implement, especially to the small and medium enterprises. The hybridization of the new systems and the existing one can be time consuming process that could consume a lot of technical experience. The other sensitive issue that surrounds the implementation of cloud and blockchain has been in the area of cybersecurity, in which information that is classified about the supply chain is exchanged on networks that can be easily compromised. To assist in curbing these risks, one will be required to have a strong encryption system, multi-factor check, and regular security check to ensure that the integrity and privacy of information is upheld. Organization Organizational culture resistance is another key issue. EA digitalization will disrupt workflow and job description, causing employee dread and resistance. Complex change management evolves continuous training and term based promotion of digital culture campaigns for smooth implementation. So, the last point is about conclusion and recommendations. Digital transformation relies on enterprise architecture to integrate emerging technologies and create smarter, more transparent, and agile supply chains. AI gives firms predictive insights and autonomous operation, cloud based architectures, and enables scalable collaboration and innovation. Starting with pilot project to assess technological applicability, the operational impact firms should pace in these EA trends to optimize their benefit. Data governance frameworks and interoperability standards are essential for corporate system integration and data quality. So this is the list for references, and here my presentation ends. Thanks for listening. Thank you.